And so what is the good place? And I will take you down here. There's also a video here that will tell you about the point system and then why it's a great show is here. The premise of the show. And here you could search Janet for your name. So let's say my name is Lily, last name is he, and my birthday is this, and this, and this, and I could check my status if I'm going to the good place or the bad place. And I check my status, and it will give me a pop-up that says, "You're doing great. The best person award will be yours soon." Good. Oh, right, I forgot. When you refresh the page, this main page, it says, "You just died. Welcome. Everything's fine," because the show's about the afterlife. So yeah. Second page, test my fate. This is where you could ask Janet, sponsored by The Good Place. You could ask Janet about the time that you lost 8.2 points because you tried to teach CSS to a blind man. I wrote that one. And another time where, yep, basic, you lost 5.55 points because you made a joke about your wife even though she told you not to tell it. Or Poverty's Nerfing. Oh, this is the same one. I have a lot more of them. I don't know why this game is doing the same ones. I have a whole list of them. Poverty's Nerfing. You lost 4,000 points when you intentionally tampered with the point system. Honestly, that should be worse. And then the last page is where we visit the gang. I only have I uploaded two people. I want to do more, but I'm running out of time. So I want to visit with the gangs, and we're going to visit Dr. Cheedy, and he's working on his, I don't know, afterlife thesis. That, you know, he's trying to find that on average, dirtbag humans with disgusting elbows and mouth holes can still become better people. And Professor Cheedy has been working hard at trying to crack this theory by studying positive and negative deeds by the latest rounds of humans. So here are the positive deeds I came in. Giving a squirrel a tiny acorn hat is 1 point. Being a good listener and not interrupting and giving thoughtful, helpful advice is 100 points. Saving a fly trapped inside a room is 1 point, etc. And I have a nice quote that I like from Dr. Cheedy. It turns out life isn't a puzzle that can be solved one time and it's done. You wake up every day and you solve it again and again and again. And it's hard. And here are the bad deeds done by humans. Let's see. Not returning a library book on time. Boo, bad. Using too much hair gel. Bad. Buying your loved ones a prescription odor control deodorant for Christmas with a card that reads, hint, hint. That's also bad. And Dr. Cheedy's also working on his own research about the timeline. The timeline in the afterlife is called Jeremy Bear Me, and it looks like this. You can kind of study it. It's highly theoretical, and really it'll break your brain if you think too much about it, so don't try. But this is what he's kind of working on the side. And then we're gonna visit the honey. She is opening another art gallery, which means another party, and she needs to calculate, for whatever reason, the cost of the party. So how many people are coming, and what is on the menu, and what's a party without cake. So let's say everybody's coming, well, almost everybody. Cheedy's coming, Eleanor's coming, Jason's coming. See, I didn't put Janet on here because Janet doesn't eat. But I also put Michael on. So 4 people are coming. And we are going to eat. Oh, I misspelled jalapeno poppers. Oops. Okay, well, we're gonna eat giant cocktail shrimps. And what's a disgusting flavor with shrimp? Chocolate mousse cake. Yes, 2 utensils, and then I'm gonna submit. And the total of this party, food-wise, will cost $148. So yeah, cool. And then the thing refreshes and resets. And that's it. Thank you. Let me see if everything works. Yes. Let's see. I'm just clicking around now. I just want to see if everything's working. Fine. Okay, cool.